Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So today we will discuss about deficiency diseases. It is very important to have good kind of food. Food. Food contains nutrients which are useful to us to do our daily life activities. If we didn't get any good kind of food, then we fall sick. So the diseases that are caused by a lack of some particular nutrient are called deficiency diseases. Many deficiency diseases are there. First, marasmus. Marasmus happens due to lack of protein and carbohydrate in the diet. Some symptoms of marasmus are extremely thin body, dry and wrinkled skin like old people, frequent stomach disorder and diarrhea. We should eat carbohydrate protein rich food to cure marasmus. For example, wheat, egg, potato, fish, nuts, soya bean, sugar, gram and meat. Second, kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor disease. Symptoms of kwashiorkor are swollen legs and belly, reduced growth, enlarged liver. Food sources which are helpful to cure kwashiorkor are skimmed milk, khichdi, eggs, potato, dalia, pulses and sugar. Marasmus and kwashiorkor are serious conditions of malnutrition. Vitamins are also very essential for a healthy life. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. People suffering from vitamin A deficiency cannot see properly in the dark. Sources of vitamin A are butter, papaya, tomato, fish, carrot, curd, pumpkin. Deficiency of vitamin B leads to beriberi. Beriberi is a disease that affects the nervous system. Beriberi can affect the whole body and overall growth. Sources of vitamin B are potato, banana, meat, beans, rice. Scurvy is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Symptoms are bleeding of gums and loss of teeth. In extreme cases of scurvy, the affected person may lose their teeth also. Sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, other fruits like guavas, carrot and tomatoes. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Symptoms of rickets are weak, thin and brittle bones. Sources of vitamin D are fish liver oil, eggs, milk and milk products and sunlight is the extreme source of vitamin D. Our body also needs minerals such as iodine, iron and calcium to stay healthy. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Symptoms are weakness, swelling of the neck. Affected people should add iodine salt in their diet. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. Symptoms are weakness, pale eyes, lips and skin. Sources of iron are green leafy vegetables, meat, nuts, pulses. Calcium deficiency affects the bones and teeth formation. Sources of calcium are dairy products, nuts, pulses, seeds. To avoid all these deficiency diseases, we should eat balanced diet. This is the summary that we have read today in this class.